scissors, ice cream stick, glue stick, cats or anything else available in your house to make different sized circles, a star mold, or you can even draw and cut your star. Now draw circles of different sizes. Now fold the paper into a half. After folding the paper into a half, start cutting the circles. Now fold all the circles into a half. Now take any one of the circle, take your glue and apply it on the corner. Now take the other half and stick it, just like this. You should get a little triangle shape like this. Once you're done making all your triangles, open any one of the triangle and apply a little glue over here. Now stick it, just like that. Draw the star and cut it. Now stick the star on top of the Christmas tree. There we go, our Christmas tree is ready. Now you can decorate it with anything you have available at home like teddy bears, hearts or shiny things. I'm going to use these shiny things. Now our decoration is ready and our Christmas tree is too. Oh, hi Granny. Hi Reddy. Merry Christmas to all of you.